Hello, McCastle here. Welcome back. Today we are actually going to take a break from our create factory here. We've done quite a bit of work getting kind of the basics set up. We haven't actually set up too much besides this precision thing, which has run out of cogwheels. We'll have to get some more of that. But we're actually going to jump in and do something that I usually do episode 1, maybe 2 of a series. And that is set up our cold coke generators for Immersive Engineering. So I've come over here and I've kind of lined out some different stuff we're going to do here in our industrial stuff. So if we take a look at our map, a few more huts up here where they're going to land so that I can line them up easily with what was going on back here. This is going to be where our rails come through for our train. This is going to kind of be where it unloads and loads industrial stuff, right? But up here is going to be, this is going to be our Immersive Engineering spot. So I'm going to have 5 cold coke ovens and 3 blast furnaces, and I don't know if they'll be able to keep up, but you can see I've got it laid out for when we turn them to improved blast furnaces, but we'll get to that. So let me actually get a crafting table here. Boom, ba-doom. I believe I've gathered everything to set these up. I guess we'll find out, huh? Alright. So, to make coke ovens, so let's just look up the recipe here in JEI. You need coke bricks, and you need 27 of them. So we need to make this 7 times. So we can make 4, which means I don't have enough. Oh, yes I do. 12, because you can use the ash bricks, right? So we need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know why I said 7. You need 9. You need 27. But we're gonna make 5 of them, so we need a whole bunch more. Let's set one up, and then I can repeat the process off camera. And now the coke ovens you can automate. You can pull stuff in, push stuff out. The blast furnaces you can't on the basic version, only on the improved version. So we need our hammer. So I'm going to grab my engineer's hammer, and I'm actually going to grab stuff so we can make an engineer's manual. I'll be right back. Okay, so to make the manual, which you really need to make for Immersive Engineering, makes your life a lot easier. As it explains everything, you just need a lever and a book. Bada bing, bada boom. Again, this is set up so nicely. It's got explanations for just about everything. So if you're struggling, go in here, read it, and it should answer most of your questions. And then we also need a hammer, which is, I believe, like this. There we go. Hammer. Okay. So we'll build this coke oven. We do 3 by 3 by 3 tall, which is where we get our 27 from, obviously. Boom, boom, oop. Boom, boom, and boom. And then whichever you want the front to be, just smack with the hammer. And then boom. And we're going to throw some coal in here, and it just works. It slowly turns this into coal coke and creosote oil, which we'll need to make treated wood, which we'll need in a lot of recipes. So I'll go ahead and I'll create a bunch of stuff there, but let's create a blast furnace as well. blast bricks here, magma brick or ash brick, and then nether brick. So I'm just gonna make all those because I'll need them. Probably won't be enough for all of them, but yeah. So if you see here, the reinforced glass brick, which is steel with a blast brick. Blah, blah, blah. Jeez, sorry, tongue tied there a little bit. So we'll pick these back up once we're ready to. But first we gotta produce some steel, so which we use the blast furnace for. So it's again a 3x3 by 3. Boom, boom, boom. And there we go. Same thing. Hit it with the hammer, and boom. Really hot topic. Give that up. Oop! Ouch. Now we've got a coke. So what you do is you throw the coke in here and the iron, and it'll consume that and turn it into steel. Now it'll be nice to get the improved one so that we can automate this. Basically just automatically pull the coke out of there, evenly distribute it amongst these, and there you go. In not too long we'll have steel, and we need steel because down the line, as our path progresses here, we're going to want an excavator in order to get lots and lots of resources. Iron, and primary iron is the big one I'm thinking of. I know you can make an iron farm using Create, but I think I'd rather use Immersive Engineering for it. So, almost done here. As we take a look at the manual here, we're going to be doing a lot of wire stuff, some logic stuff, control engineering. I'm going to set up kind of a control tower here to control all my factories. It's going to be pretty awesome. And there you go. You get steel, ingot, and you get slag. Which, you can see we use the slag for bricks, fertilizer apparently. You can melt it down to make slag glass. You can crush it to create slag gravel, which you use in concrete. I thought you could make concrete out of it. Yeah, here you go. So to make concrete, you have to make slag gravel first. Anyway, so that's it. Pretty short one here, not too bad. I'll go ahead and we'll fill these in. Build a little building around it. I kind of want it kind of backed up against whatever this is going to be. I'm planning that out yet. And then off the side of it here is we'll build a little like overhang for our trains to come in, load and unload from all over. And I'm going to have kind of these buildings connected, make it look like a little industrial zone. And almost fell in the hole again. Our train will come through here. I'll build a bridge over the top here. That's where this green are going to be for our main road here. And I might dig this down where the trains come underneath so that they don't have to build the bridge up too high. But that's it. Pretty simple for today. Probably be getting back into Create next time. Thank you guys for watching.